today's video, I'm going to quickly teach you how to sell books on eBay. Whether you're clearing space or earning some extra cash, this simple process will help you get your books listed fast. Start by opening ebaycom.com in your browser. If you don't have an account, create one. It only takes a minute. If you already have an account, log in and head straight to your seller hub. This is where you manage everything related to selling on eBay. Once you are inside the seller hub, click on Create New Listing. This is where your book listing begins. Start with a clear, descriptive title so buyers instantly know what you're offering. After that, choose the correct book categories so your listing appears in the right search results. Next, write your book description. Be honest and precise. Mention the condition, new, used or well read, along with any flaws like worn edges or notes inside. If it's a first edition, signed copy or has collectible value, highlight it. These details help buyers feel confident about what they're purchasing. Now choose how you want to sell it. You can pick auction, letting buyers bid, or buy it now, where you set a fixed price. If you want a quick sale, buy it now is usually the best option. If the book is rare or collectible, an auction can help you get the highest price. Once everything looks good, click List It. Your book is now live and visible to millions of eBay shoppers. And that's all it takes. In just a few minutes, your book is ready for its next owner. Happy selling!